Questions to ask your realtor before you list with them. Are you working by yourself or do you work part of a team? Now, my wife and I are a team. We work together very well. She does a lot of the paperwork, which I'm not as big of a fan of, and I tend to be more of the field agent, which she's not as much of a fan of. Sometimes that works out really good. But if you're going to work with a team that has more than 2 or 3 people, you want to make sure that you're introduced with the entire team that you're going to be working with. You don't want to have an agent that shows up and say, hey, I'm part of the team, and they're really not. Plus, you want to make sure that you're familiar as to what's going on with the property and how you're able to try and sell your house. Sometimes large teams will end up having a team lead, and they have no idea what's really going on in the transactions. Yes, there's transaction coordinators out there. What I mean by that is somebody who helps out with the transaction, normally in an office. But if they're not in the day-to-day conversations that need to be going on back and forth, you might have issues with it. You may want to stick with somebody who is part of a team and they have really good communication and you understand who and what you're working with.